What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon, back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, subscribe, bell icon, get notified when I post new videos because it's all time sensitive. In today's video, you already know what we're going to do. We got to talk about what's going on with the Bitcoin Punk Ordinal collection. Now, over the last 48 hours, this project is absolutely ripping. Volume off the charts. Everybody is talking about this project. So I'm going to tell you guys exactly what's going on with the Bitcoin punks. And then, of course, we got to talk about Yuga Labs. You guys know them. You love them. This is the company behind the biggest NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. They made the announcement that they are going to make their foray into the Bitcoin NFT ecosystem. So we have to talk about that. So make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this important information. As always, first things first, got to take a quick look at the crypto market. As you guys can see, global crypto market cap, we're up a little bit today, up about 1.5%, pretty much just making up the gains from the last couple days. We're still right above $1 trillion. We're at $1.08 trillion. Bitcoin still cannot crack that level of $24,000. Every time it hits 24K, boom, immediately snaps back down to the downside. However, it's stuck in this range, 23 to 24. Haven't seen much movement in either direction. So, of course, we're just waiting, seeing what's going to happen with Bitcoin. As you guys know, Bitcoin controls the market. When it moves, the market follows. And as you guys can see, since Bitcoin is up just a little bit today, everything else is pretty much doing the same. So we got Ethereum 16.5 and Cardano back up to just about 36 cents. Dogecoin taking a little bit of a dive, down 4% on the week. And where is SHIB? I do want to talk about SHIB. SHIB taking quite a big dip. Why? Because we had an announcement that somebody made a huge transfer of Shibarium over to an exchange in preparation for a sale. I don't know. Is it buy the rumor, sell the hype? We do know that Shibarium Layer 2, the Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, is going to be coming out very soon. This has been teased and highly anticipated. So I think that this definitely could cause some selling pressure. As you guys know, whenever there's some big news, it almost always causes a sale, especially right after the announcement comes true. But anyway, moving on along, we quickly have to talk about this, guys. Dude, insane. The Bitcoin punks. Over the last 48 hours, absolutely ripping. I swear, I went to sleep, I woke up, and the floor price was just around 2 Ethereum. That's like a 4x overnight. And as you guys can see, February 28th, yesterday, look at that volume. Insane. All on ordinals.market and ordinals.cheap. So we're talking a big boy volume. I think someone said right there, 1,000 ETH in one day. That's like $1 million. 1.2, 1. That's like $1.6 million right there. That's insane volume for NFTs, guys. I am telling you, I have seen so many more people coming into the Discord, coming from Ethereum, coming from Solana, coming from Cardano, coming from this project and that project, saying that they are interested. And let me tell you, they are not concerned that this is not owned by Yuga Labs. And you know, when we talk about the announcement from Yuga Labs a little bit later, why did they not come out and make a statement about the crypto punks, right? About the Bitcoin punks? If it was a concern, if it was something that we're going to pursue, I think they probably would have went after it right off the bat. But you know, I think people are starting to realize that the thing that makes these rare is the inscription number. And no matter what, there is nothing Yuga Labs can do to go back in time and put the Bitcoin punks, the crypto punks on the Bitcoin blockchain with smaller inscription numbers than the collection that we have out right now. So I'm super excited about the Bitcoin punks. And like I was saying, guys, insane, right? I mean, we're talking 1.44 Ethereum floor price. 1.44 Ethereum floor price, guys. When this project first came out, it was free. Ran up to 3 ETH. Immediately dumped all the way down to 0.3 ETH. 90% rip to the downside, right? That's when I jumped in. That's when a lot of people jumped in. And look, it's starting to pay off. We're up to a 1.44 ETH floor price. And guys, it's not going to stop. I really don't think so. I think we have the potential to go to 100 ETH floor price. I'm serious. People are saying 1 Bitcoin punk equals 1 Bitcoin. I think it's going to be a lot more than 1 Bitcoin. That's really what I think. It's not financial advice. This is my particular opinion. But anyway, really quick, have to talk about this. Bitcoin NFTs, over 200,000 inscriptions already. I don't like this FUD of the article saying, is interest fading? Maybe it is. Maybe the amount of inscriptions is going to slow down, but that's okay. I think people, especially with the announcement of Yuga Labs coming out, giving the green light to ordinals on Bitcoin, right? NFTs on Bitcoin. Yuga Labs said, we're a go. We're going to put a collection out, which means we are all for NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain. I think more people are going to start doing that as time goes on, as we get more infrastructure, right, more marketplaces, etc., things will pick up. So I don't like the FUD in the article, even though it is, you know, we got to be realistic. It is a little bit true, right? The amount of inscriptions per week has been dropping, and that's okay. That's okay. Long run, baby. We are here for the long run. Now, real quick, before we talk about the Yuga Labs thing, I did want to say Ordinals.market, the marketplace we love, the one that's done all the hard work for us, right, in this Bitcoin NFT space that we're in. They just came out with a Discord where they're going to be making announcements for new projects, etc. So make sure you guys go give them a follow. But anyway, moving on along to the topic of today's video, the main topic, this Yuga Labs was introducing their first Bitcoin Ordinal collection. So this is very cool. This announcement just came out after, you know, the 200,000 inscriptions announcement was made, and this was literally less than 24 hours ago. So as you guys know, Yuga Labs, they're behind Bored Ape Yacht Clubs and a bunch of other projects as well, CryptoPunks and other projects as well. And they are coming out with a 300-piece generative art collection, and it's going to be called 12-fold. So we don't really have an exact date as to when this is going to be coming out, but the way this is going to work is it's going to be a base 12 art system localized around a 12 by 12 grid, a visual allegory for the cartography of data on the Bitcoin blockchain. I think this is super cool. I love how there's like lore, which includes the history and the technological breakthrough of Bitcoin. I think it's a great idea. And more importantly, right, there's only going to be 300, dude. That's insanely scarce. How do you think this is going to go? And I did hear, I think it's even in here, that the way this is going to be done is every single one of these is going to be auctioned off. So we already know this is going to be highly successful. There are big bag holders, whales, right? Thanks to, you know, both of the collections that Yuga Labs owns. So those people, what do you think they're going to do? They're going to jump on this like oh, I can't even believe it. It's insane. Guys, Bitcoin is the OG blockchain. NFTs on the OG blockchain are going to be worth more than anything else. That's just the bottom line. Mark my words, okay? That's all I'm going to say. But of course, I'm super excited about this particular project. And, you know, I'm sure you guys saw Ordinal.market. There's so many more projects coming out. I'm going to start making more videos covering these particular projects, so you guys can get ahead of the curve, because at the end of the day, I want to make sure to give you guys the alpha before everyone else. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Make sure you guys smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Try to post daily crypto, Cardano, NFT, Bitcoin videos for you guys. If that's something you're into, follow along. But you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you guys are. Dylan is out.